So, hi guys. Naami nga karon sa kuan. Lasang mo na to katong nga kahoy nga gikuha last time that I took a video katong ipang putol. So mo na siya. Mo na siya diha sa likod nako. Mo niya. So, di ami karon nag-walking mi sa snow. I never thought nga lumuwa dahil ko sa kabugnaw. Bugnaw kaayo ang hangin. Although dili siya may minus ang kabugnaw minus degrees. Pero it was snowing last night. So that's why ni kabaga ang snow. So I will show you guys. Here's a lasang. Guys, ang lakaw na mo ana mga around 30 minutes ra jud, pero tungod kay snow kaayo unya lisod kay lakaw bugat ba unya day nipis pud ang hangin unya lisod. Ako gilisuran ko ginawa mo na hungak madungog man siguro ninyo kung hungak diha. So guys, makasipon ko sa kabugnaw. So ngani sa lasang ang snow gabi is I wanted to show you. Very light ang snow gabi niya. Pero baga kaayo. So ba niya akong video eh. So nga is wala naglakaw dali sa kamera naglakaw. So nindot kay lakawan kay limpyo ba. Tanagawa guys ha. Limpyo kayo ang snow. Limpyo ang palibot. So lahi sa siya nga view sa usual na green. So karon is more puti. So different kind of view.
Deep snow.
Magwantis. Deep snow. Magwantis lang. Labaw pa siya sa kanang murag halo-halo gani.
Ser som folk.
Ano kayo ha? Saka dito. Ang snow. Ano kayo ha? So,
Pass.
kasi ikaw? Say hi.
That's it.
Yeah. Sen.
Jag orkar vi inte. Va?
Så kommer jag inte upp. Jag kommer inte upp imorgon. Jag kommer inte upp imorgon. Ang iro apit malubong. Nalubong jud. So, kaning lugar guys. We're gonna walk here a little bit because in 3 to 5 years this place will gonna be a solar park. So all these trees here and this place, so we're gonna have to enjoy this place now because soon we cannot get into here. We cannot walk here anymore because this will become a solar energy park, you know, with the solar panels. I don't know how many hectares, but about 50 hectares probably. Mga hectare then solar panel and Treton men den hela.
Ja. Ja, det andra, det vet jag inte hur mycket de andra, men på min bit är 13.
Okay. So only from his part is already 13, and so all the other neighbors here has already signed the contract. So it will become a solar panel park here in a few years. So the contracts are already signed. Yeah. So start from this.
Inte detta.
Nej. Okay. Start from the line up to the other side. So look at the dog. Buried deep in the snow. Muna siyang lugar din hinga. It will become a solar panel park. So these trees here, the 200 years old trees, will be gone also. So this one, is this 200 years old?
150. 150.
This one is about 150, and this one also. So this will be cut down because they're gonna make a solar panel park here in the near future, in 3 to 5 years. Look at the view, it's very beautiful, very nice view. Real winter, and you can see how deep the snow, because you can see the legs of the dog. It's gone almost. So see guys, raining,
Yeah.
raining.
Yes.
How beautiful it is here.
It's
So we're the only crazy ones that go walking here. So it's very hard. All the muscles in my body and legs are working hard. Oi.
It's very good when you're coming home and take a nice cup of coffee.
Yeah.
You feel good.
What is for?
I think it's fox.
Fox. This.
Yeah.
Fox. This is called foxtrot. Foxtrot. So.
Oh.
So guys, here I will show you the old trees. Which kind of tree? Tal,
Gran och tall.
pine tree and birch tree. Birch tree. Pine tree and gran.
Kan du gå upp till den stora där uppe?
So yeah. So these are old trees. These are 150, and the big one is 200 years old. That one is 200.
Kan du gå...
200 years old. We're gonna go up so you see how big it is, guys. Come back. Come back. Ha ha ha. Hey! Ha ha!
Upp till stora granen. Ja.
Ah!
Det är en tall.
So the birch, pine tree, and we go up to the other one.
Oj.
I'm just gonna catch my breath. So go fast.
Go, go, go.
Up, ha ha ha, up, come. Hey. So. $250 years old tree.
Ja, 200 maybe.
200 years old.
Yeah, it's a really
Pwede
big
na
one.
mamuhangyo. So this one.
Real big,
So
big,
big.
big, big one.
So, bigyan na yan first. Hungak ko guys, hungak. Hungak is
Nu
real.
får vi se om vi kan kasa ner här.
Ganda lite first. Oy! Ay, kung biraha kay. Mga dusmo ta. So, ay! Walahan.
Ja.
So, hadlok
Big
guys.
trees.
Yes. And I'm very sweaty.
Yeah.
I'm too fat.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's big tree.
Yeah. It's kolla där.
Oj, vänta. Ja,
Slowly.
mycket snö. Vi kan köra runt. Ja, mycket som ska huggas ner.
This one is gonna be gone in 2-3 years.
Yeah, 3 years ago.
3 years. This will be just solar panel park. All of this, and the 200-year-old tree will be going also. But technology, guys, to
So-
make a better living for us also, because it's solar panel park, so it's for clean energy. So one pays for the other.
Take and give.
So guys, finally, hapit na gid mi mo abot sa balay. Gikapoy na gyud kog nilakaw. Lisod kayo siya ilakaw kay it's so hard to walk kay because the snow is thick and it's so heavy, and then I don't exercise. So that makes it harder for me. But anyway, here's the view here. I'll show you. So I've learned every day when we go out for a walk, I always learn something. And today I have learned in the snow that if you walk in this part where the cars have passed by, it will be a little bit more. There are chances that you will fall down because it's so slippery. So it's much wiser to walk here in the undisturbed. This, you can see there's, it looks like there are tire marks. This was yesterday's, so you still can walk safely on this part as compared to this part that is newly driven by. So slippery na siya. This one here in the middle is not so bad. So this is the view in this little village here, and there's the summer house of the very rich person here. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.